Hello everyone and welcome to today's review vlog. Today's vlog is sponsored by the Hercules Tuff Universal Charging Station that charges up to 6 items at the same time, and you can choose majority Apple or majority Android. I chose majority Apple. So this is great for the girl on the go, the one that is working, say that you have videos to film, you have tablets to use, you are going somewhere and you know it's going to be a lot of people and you know that there might not be a lot of outlets, you'll definitely want this device. So first it came in this box from Amazon. You can get it on Amazon and I will definitely link it below. And you're going to get it in pieces. So it's first going to come looking just like this. So here's the cord. Here are the 6 charging pieces, and this is what the main part looks like. So if you charge them, the charging is going to go here, and this is the station. So I want to kind of show you guys all the pieces. So it comes like in this protective wrap, and you can take off the wrap like so, and then we can go ahead and add it just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them all. And now I can go ahead and take my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and charge it. And there you go. How cool is that? How cool is that? You guys can see it's LED blue light. How cool is that? I've actually gotten all of the different Apple products within the house, and I have them charging, and it looks so cool. We all love it as a household. Everyone is super pleased, and let's go look at it. Alright, so I have them all charging right here, and this is just super cool. So if I didn't tell you before, this LED light, it's blue when it's charging, and when it's done charging, it'll turn off. So if you can see at the very front, this one is 100% charged, so it is off, and this one is still charging, so it's blue. So that's pretty cool. What I also saw was this actually is charging the keyboard for the iPad, so that's cool too. And this is just kind of what it looks like. Super cool. It's charging 2 phones right here. It's charging an iPad, and it's charging an iPad keyboard. And then it's just one cord. Alright guys, so everyone in my family loves this charging station. We agree that this is a definite thumbs up. It charges not only the Apple products but the Apple supporting products like the keyboard for the iPad, and that was an added bonus. So I definitely suggest that anybody looking, if you're from a large family or if you go to a lot of meetings, this is definitely going to be the saver of the day and make you the favorite of the family. So go ahead and grab this product, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you especially to my above average crew for tuning in. Please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and if you have a product like this, mention it in the comments, or if you have a product that you love that you want me to review next, mention it in the comments. Alright, bye.